Let me show you how to fix this very annoying error which says SD card is full, or it also might say can't record full, or also basically that you need to format your card. So basically what happens with this camera is we actually had to format this card inside the camera. So if you were to format basically in a PC, it actually won't work. So the way we format it, we simply press and hold this M button. Okay, and then press again the M button here to go to this setting over here, cycle here to the format here. Okay, accept with this. Okay, accept, and let's format it. You see it's formatting. Okay, then we can return, and let's try now. So you see, I can actually record. So yep, this is actually what was wrong with it. Again, so if you were to format your memory card in a PC, it simply won't work. So when I actually got this dashcam the first time, if I tried that, yeah, so I was wondering what the hell is going on, so why it's not working. So again, only from the dashcam itself you can do it. Good luck.